Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback for our last video. If this is your first time here, I highly recommend watching the previous video where we explained what happens if a NATO country is attacked. Now it's time to test what you've learned. Is NATO a military organization created after World War II? Yes, it was created in 1949. Is Article 5 about economic cooperation? No, it's about collective defense in case of an attack. If one NATO country is attacked, do the others help? Yes, they treat it as an attack on all of them. Was Article 5 used during the Cold War? No, it was first used after the September 11th attacks. Did NATO members support the United States in 2001? Yes, they united in defense after the 9/11 attacks. Is NATO only focused on military responses? No, it also uses diplomacy and cooperation. Are all the countries in NATO located in Europe? No, the US and Canada are also members. Is the goal of NATO to encourage more wars? No, the goal is to prevent conflict and protect peace. Does NATO have 15 members today? No, it has 31 members today. Is it important to watch the video several times? Yes, it helps reinforce your learning and improve your English. Great job, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next videos. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next amazing episode of Learning English and American Culture, right here on Docentes DigitalesTV.